In this video, I'm going to show you an inside look at the 60-minute Empire. That's a new course which is getting released Monday the 22nd of April at 9 AM Central Time and 6 AM Pacific. And I'm also going to show you some awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you free just for signing up under my link. So stay tuned, guys. Let's dive right in. Hi guys, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Building My Empire, and on this video we're going to show you the inside look at 60-minute Empire. But before we get into that, if you're new to this channel, I advertise, I promote different ways of making money online, and I document my journey to building my empire, helping you to build your empire. So please feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future offers. Let's dive right in, guys. But like I said earlier, stay till the end because I'm going to show you some awesome bonuses, and you're not going to want to miss this, guys. So let's get into this. This is the page you will see. This is the sales page, and unique system. You can earn thousands from just putting up 1 hour's work. It says fun and easy work per day, 100% free traffic. Yeah, and all it takes is a one-off payment. Yeah, of $5 investment. Yeah, guys, it's nothing, that is it, guys? Probably a cup of coffee or something. Yeah, it's a simple blog and 60 minutes per day. Absolutely change your life. This is my most structured, well-organized system to date, and it's unlike anything else you've ever seen, guys. I've actually gone through this, and I must admit, when I first started, I thought, yeah, sounds good this, guys. I'm interested. And as I went through it, I was like, maybe it's not for me. But I've got to admit, guys, I am going to buy this, guys, because throughout it, and the more I learned about it, the more I looked into it, I am really impressed with this, guys. We'll talk about each the inside of it a bit more, but for now, let's just concentrate on the front page. The video's not up yet because it doesn't actually get released until Monday the 22nd, and so for now he's still tweaking it and that, but it will be ready, guys. And this is the guy, Lee Murray, and Mormon, I can't say his last name, Catty or something like that, guys, sorry about that. So yeah, he talks about a few things, like who it's for, who it's not for. If you're jumping from one method to the next, if you're chasing after shiny silver things, like they say, it's not for you, guys. Yeah. There's two paths basically. The first path is all the negative kind of things, yeah. Or second path, if you want to living the life on your own terms, guys, yeah. So going on vacation, never having to worry about bills, yeah. Passive income, recurring bills, getting paid daily, living a free and clear lifestyle, yeah. Become more confident. So it's your choice, guys, whichever way you want to go, yeah. You have to put yourself in the driver's seat, basically. So the sales page looks quite nice. It's nice, in my opinion, it's nice and neat and tidy. It's not too much in your face. Nice pictures, nice big pictures, writing, standout headings. And basically this is how it works. Your blog gets people into your funnel, yeah? It gives you 3 master funnels to choose from. Your funnel gets people into the other people's funnels, yeah? These other people's funnels promote tons of passive recurring, often multi-tier offers via your affiliate links, yeah? So the other people's funnels will be promoting stuff, but it'll be your affiliate links in there, so then if people buy on these other people's funnels, you're going to get the commission, guys. He does go into it more detail of how that works. It's all legit. He gives you some your email. Oh, basically your emails. If you've got an email list, your emails follows up and keep sending people back to your blog. Yeah, so basically, the more people you send to your blog, the more commissions you're gonna make. Yeah, your blog earns you more and more affiliate commissions with your growing traffic, which is natural anyway, guys. It's your ever growing social media following, taught in the course as well, guys, gets you fast traffic. So you get fast traffic from social media, and in the course he teaches you about Twitter, because Twitter's his favourite one, his main one. But as he says in the course, you can use whichever you feel more comfortable with. If you stay towards the end, I will throw in some bonuses what might help with that as well, guys. So let's continue. Your ever-growing blog gets you ongoing traffic. Eventually, your business grows so large you can walk away, and the money and traffic will keep pouring in to years to come. Yeah, until you're stinking filthy rich. So he shows you some clips of his incomes. They always seem to do this, guys. Just thought show you. And it tells you like you can get rid of. Oh no, he's telling you he's earning income from 13 different sources. Yeah. So guys, we're going to jump into it. Yeah, because there's quite a few about it. Yeah. So when you purchase it, this is the inside look of it. Yeah. Obviously, you'll get all this. Before you begin, he gives you 3 different steps what you need to do. And then in video 1, it's an overview, guys. Yeah, basically telling you all about what you're going to be doing over the next couple of videos, what's inside the course, who he is, what you have to do, basically. Yeah. But video 2, guys, it shows you how hard it is to find a domain, guys. And in honesty, guys, when I first watched this video, it kind of dragged on a bit. It took him about 12 minutes to find a domain. That's how hard it is. So fair dues to him for like it being natural and not just skipping it or deleting the video and like cutting bits out. He actually shows you how hard it is, because you don't just want to choose any old name. You want to choose a right name for the right blog, because that can also be a major factor in getting traffic to your website as well, guys. He talks about branding. Yeah, he shows you how to create branding on Canva, which is a free software, free website you can use for making your brand. Video 3, guys, is setting up your components. Yeah, he sets up your blog, your WordPress, and he sets up Twitter account. Yeah, shows you step by step, plus the plugins, and integrates Twitter to your blog. Yeah. Number 4, guys, he's setting up your master funnel. Talks about your funnels and why you need it. Teaches you about the traffic and explains that unless you buy the rights. Oh right, sorry guys. Yeah, unless you buy the rights to his program, his course kind of thing, all the sales and emails go to him. But he explains all that. It sounds a bit confusing to me. But number 4, you can get 14 done for you emails if you get certain packages off him. Yeah, you just have to edit them to your own details, of course, and put your like affiliate links in it and that, your name and that. And he shows you transferring his emails from Builderall to Aweber. Number 6. Yeah, number 6, sorry, I just missed one. It's where you create your homepage, and from his words, guys, he says it's where the rubber meets the road. Yeah, so it's where it starts picking up and getting traction, basically. And then number 7 is ongoing pages. He's creating ongoing page, like it shows you stats and you're showcasing your stuff as you go along, so people can follow your journey too. Number 8, there's 3 different types of blog posts. He says he talks about all them. Your goals, explains, makes posts helpful and authentic. rather than like just basically rambling on. It tracks your progress. It shows you how to track your progress, sorry. Number 9 is growing your social following. So it shows you how to grow your Twitter and more it shows you how to grow your social media, but more specific is Twitter, because that's what he shows. But he also says you can also use whatever your personal choice is. Number 10, guys, is adding more other people's funnels to your blog. Yeah, it shows you some cool pages, guys. Honestly, this is what more or less turned my as I started watching this, I thought, yeah, actually I do want to do this. It looks cool. This shows you some alternatives. Honestly, guys, this video alone is very, very valuable, but it's a must watch. But watch them in order, guys. Yeah. Number 11, he shows you how to promote your posts, what's required, like to tweet it, to send it to your email. You send it to your emails as well, guys. Your follow-up series shows you all that, explains it all step by step. Number 12, he shows you your daily schedule, yeah. And all you need, guys, is like 1 hour a day. That's what he says. I mean, you can do it in more, but if you're strapped for time, you've only got an hour. That's all it takes, guys, is an hour, yeah. It shows you setting up your 60-minute schedule, short and simple, 2 parts, yeah. You set up, and then once you've set it up, you don't have to do it again, guys. That's it, yeah. And then your traffic generation, yeah. So it takes you an hour a day, the first part, and the only job is to send traffic to your own page, yeah. And he gives you a schedule to stick to, so you just follow his schedule. Number 13, guys, is basically a conclusion where he shows you a new post and daily tasks and that. He tells you, like, honestly, don't skip a day, and then basically concludes the training, yeah. Then he also gives you 2 bonuses, guys. He gives you another free alternative method. So if you don't want to buy or invest into any funnels or etc., you can. If you don't want to invest at all, he shows you a free way, and it's free all the way, guys, for you and for them. So win-win. And then number 2, you get done for you. Well, you get Jono, who's a super affiliate. He's big in this world. He shows you a step-by-step how to create a website for dummies, just in case you don't know how to do it. Yeah. So like I said, guys, my thought was at the beginning, I was very intrigued, yeah. Then as I was looking at it, I thought maybe it's not for me, yeah, because I'm not one for writing blogs and that. But then as I learned more about it, and then I seen some of the value he was giving, I thought, yeah, actually, I'm going to get this myself, guys. So like I said, it's not out until Monday the 22nd. I'm just giving you a bit of insight, guys. But then let's show you my bonuses, guys, yeah? Because all this is good, all this is great, but I'm going to sweeten the deal, guys, yeah? So buy through my link, and these are the bonuses you get, yeah? So as a thank you to purchasing through my link, I want to give you these extra bonuses to complement this offer and to help you even more so, guys, yeah? And if you sign up to HostGator during Jono's website build, when Jono teaches you how to build a website and you sign up through HostGator, yeah, you get $100 AdWords, yeah, to promote your stuff, yeah. You also get another $100 on Bing, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw in these 2 courses, which will help you with AdWords and it will help you with Bing, and you can get more out of it, guys, yeah. Then I'm also going to give you a course on blogging, yeah, and traffic, so you can do even better. And then I'm also going to give you this affiliate marketing course, because throughout your blog you can also add into affiliate marketing, so you're going to be earning money from this course, this 60-minute empire, but then if you add the affiliate marketing involved, you're going to earn even more, guys. Yeah, win win win. But then to really scale it up, I'm going to give you these extra bonuses. I'm going to give you the six figure swipe light, yeah, so you can even more email campaigns, so you can get more from your list. Yeah, so like I said, guys, I'm going to give you this 6-figure swipes light to help you make your email campaigns even more and scale it up, get even more money out of it. Because I struggle with writing the emails, guys. I never know what to write. I mean, I do know what to write, but they're not very good converting. So then I'm also going to give you this Instagram marketing made simple and profitable, yeah? The 6-figure swipes is valued at $47, guys, but I'm going to give it to free, yeah? This Instagram marketing made it simple, yeah, is valued at $97. It's going to help you with your Instagram. So if you're doing Twitter, like he shows you, that's great. You can also add Instagram to it, guys, yeah? I'm going to teach you how to use Instagram, and then you can use both. So you're going to get traffic from both coming to your blog, which results in more money, yeah? Then I'm also going to throw in this WordPress commission cloaker, guys, yeah? And it's valued at $97 as well. All these bonuses you're going to get for free, guys, yeah? So help you scale it up. And this basically, it cloaks all your affiliate links and protects your commissions, basically, yeah? So no one can rob your links or tweak them or whatever, yeah? It's increase your click-through rate across your entire business. People will think they are still on your site. Copy and paste to use, lifetime updates and support including, and more, guys. So these are all valuable, and these all help you towards making more commissions, which is all about, guys. And then these bonuses here, they've got values as well, guys, but we don't need to go into all that. You get them all for free, whatever happens. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial and this insight into 60-minute empire. I hope you've got some value out of this, and I hope you are as excited as I am. What a way! You build a blog post, yeah, and other people's funnels. When people buy off other people's funnels, you're going to get the commission, guys. That's awesome, yeah. So roll on tomorrow when it's released, yeah, Monday the 22nd. And just to have a look, guys, Monday the 22nd of April is at 9 AM Eastern EST, yeah, Central Time. Yeah, so Monday 22nd of April, 9 AM Eastern Central Time, I think it means, or I'm not sure, guys. I'm from the UK, but it's released at 9 AM, yeah, EST. In one day, 1 hour, 50 minutes and 9 seconds, yeah, and then at 6 AM Pacific. Now, that is about it, guys. So I would like to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you got some value out of this. If you have, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and please turn on that notification bell so then you get notified from future releases. On this channel, I post as often as I possibly can. Try to do it daily, not always possible. I post videos on how to make money online, offline, and I find new ways of making money. So come back and check it out, guys, and comment in the comment section below and let me know if you are going to purchase this product, guys, because if I get any more bonuses, I might send them your way. So let me know, guys, and thanks very much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Building My Empire, helping you to build yours. Goodbye.